I'm going to go ahead and give you is the atomic number to these, so you will be able to find them easier. So let me write those down real quick, and then you can pause it and jot them down. Okay, hopefully you can see those. Chlorine 17, potassium 19, magnesium 12, fluorine 9, aluminum 13, sodium 11, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, hydrogen 1, carbon 6, iodine 53. So you can pause those anytime you need to. Okay, first thing we're going to do on chlorine, find it on your periodic table. It is number 17, which is a halogen in group 17 also. Our atomic symbol is Cl. The total number of electrons is just the same as our atomic number, 17. The total number of valence electrons, remember we said it was in group 17 or 7A, so that means we have 7 valence electrons. So the number of electrons needed to gain or lose to fill the outer shell. If we have 7, it's much easier for us to gain 1. So I want you to write down gain 1 negative. So if we gain 1 negative, that will give us an oxidation number, that's what the charge is, of -1. All right, I want you to pause this, and you go ahead and work potassium, number 19, and then once you get it worked out, then start the video back again. Potassium, K, total number of electrons 19, valence electrons. If you look at potassium, it is in group 1, so it will have 1 valence electron. That's the one that we are interested in whenever we look at ionic charges, or the oxidation number. Remember, ionic charges, you can use oxidation number too. If we lose that electron, that means we have 1 less negative, so that will give us a +1 charge. Now, I'm going to let you do magnesium and fluorine, but I'm going to give you and let you double check that you've got aluminum right. So go ahead and pause the video, do magnesium, fluorine, and aluminum, and I will give you to let you double check that you have aluminum correctly done. I'll give you that answer. Aluminum, Al, total number of electrons, the same as our atomic number, or protons, 13. The number of valence electrons, aluminum is in group 13, or 3A, so it will have 3 valence electrons. So it will be much easier to lose these 3 electrons than it would to gain 5. Remember, our goal here is to get to 8. So if we lose those 3 negatives, that means we are going to have a charge or oxidation number of +3. Okay, let's go ahead and go on down. You can pause this and work all of them, but I am going to go ahead and give you the answer to carbon, number 6, and talk you through it so you can double check that answer. Carbon, C. Electron 6, same number as that. Valence electrons are 4. Carbon is in group 14 or 4A, so that means we will have 4 valence electrons. So what does that mean? If we have 4, it is just as easy to lose 4 as it is to gain 4. So go ahead and write down gain or lose. If we lose 4, that means that we will have extra 4 positive charges. If we gain 4 negatives, we will have a -4 because we have gained 4 negatives. Now, you go ahead and finish for iodine and then answer these 4 questions here. If you're not for sure about these, you can go ahead and look it up online, or you can watch the next video if you need to.